Hey everyone, welcome here, and today we're doing gun reviews on like all my toy guns of when I was younger. What is this, bro?
This is something off Call of Duty, starting pistol. I forgot the name, but...
What mode?
Zombies.
Yeah. And it's the M1911 BB gun. It was originally blue instead of silver. That's how the blue scratch marks today look.
Where's that spray paint?
But my dad spray painted it. And clip comes out with a simple button there. Goes back in. Stays in. And you can cock it and shoot it. And that's it for this one. Right, you do that one.
Okay. This one is a Halo gun. This gun is because you can hold 2 bullets in there with darts. You just go like this to fire
You can do
it.
it in this one.
Yeah, you can do it in there as well. You just pull it back and then fire it.
It doesn't fire.
It's a... Oh my god. Yeah, it's
Like,
green.
press here.
It's green in the Halo.
It's one of a kind, this one, because the green ones are really rare because they're a Master Chief special. The usual are just blue and red. Okay. This one I got on holiday last year. It's like, has anyone seen the hammer in Call of Duty Zombies? That's what it looks like. Well, yeah, that's what it looks like. This is how you cock it. From the suppressor. And it's really good at aiming. Like, I must say, it's really good at aiming. Aiming right at the camera. But yeah, you can take the drum out. You can plop it back in. It doesn't come out. And it's really comfortable to like hold like a real gun on your shoulder. So now you're doing a golden pistol.
I got a golden pistol! Now this should be named Kid with Golden Pistol. But I have to do that. This is a golden pistol. It was made in China. That's all I know.
Yeah.
And it goes like this.
Because I got it from the pound shop off my grandma, which is downstairs. Shout out to her for buying me this.
No, what have I done? I need to shoot the camera. Anyway, yeah, that was that. Anyway, let's continue the video, Malcolm. No. Okay, so this is zombie Malcolm now. He's dead. Malcolm is dead now. Zombie Malcolm. And yeah, just to make sure he's dead.
That hurt my ass!
It has no babies in it. Look.
That hurt my ass!
This is
Your turn. It's your turn. Do that.
Welcome to Zombie Malcolm.
I totally fainted
Yeah.
right there. I totally fainted.
Malcolm.
Then you thought I was a zombie, so shot me up the ass!
I was joking. I didn't actually think you were a zombie. I'm not like a
I
dumbass.
know, man. I know.
So this gun is a gun, and
A gun. It's an M14. Call of Duty's second starting weapon.
yeah, whatever that kid said. I don't not know his
Buy for
His
500.
name? I don't even know what his name is, but you know, because it's zombie.
Do you even know how to cock it?
Like this.
I'm seem to have fallen and I cannot get back up. You've cocked it, man. You cocked it.
Oh.
No, you
Bang, people!
There. You can also take the clip out, which is actually sort of hard. Come back here.
I'm getting this.
Why have you got
off.
that?
Tap off.
That's upside down, you douche. Anyway, you can take this off and then it's the Call of Duty Black Ops 1 style.
How do people wear these? Right now.
This I got with the M14, what we just literally reviewed right there. It's the Bison. This is my personal favorite. You can tape the clip out. Looks awesome without the clip still. You can put it back in. Doesn't come out. You could fold this, but my stupid, dumb friend called
Who's that?
Brennan jumped off my goddamn shed and headbutted it and broke it.
What if he's watching?
I don't care. I don't care. I don't like him to begin
Shout
with.
out to Brennan.
He's cheeky and he's an attention seeker. I don't like him.
Okay.
Anyway,
Some ant living in your gun. When I got there was something there. Little home.
kind of.
That.
Anyway, this is the Bison. Awesome. And how you cock it is.
Kid Cock's gun.
Won't shoot. Oh, it's on normal mode.
How do this gun now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a badass gun. It's got a little sight. Don't know if you can see through that, but it's like got like a little
Yeah, they can.
sniper sight, and it makes a cool noise like this. Say hello to my little friend. Subscribe to Malcolm if you got the reference. It's off a movie, I think.
This is like, what is this?
It's like that.
You know the name.
Oh, there's a
It's
game
off
of
the
Pixel
game.
Gun.
It's off the game.
Some of you might watch play this if you're watching. It's off Pixel Gun. My God, on top. Fall up. It's off Pixel Gun. It's a weapon called the Hellraiser. It's not this colour, but this is the black version of it.
This is purple. This is gold, and then the scope's green, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the handle's purple,
It's
and
made
that's
of-
green. Anyway, this is huge. Like, this is like the size of a real gun. I know I just like wasted. But, yeah, it's a good gun. And I'm about to shoot the camera. There we go. But I reviewed that one already. Now, I'm going to have to hold the camera because this is the one that I was using to stand it up because my stand is so garbage. That sound though. Cringe life.
Stop using inappropriate sounds, man.
Yeah. This I got off my uncle from God knows where. And it's like a convertible. Turns into like a midget pistol. Then it comes out. Then this comes out. And it's not really steady because that's rough. Why is he dabbing? That's 2016, bro. That's 2016.
It's 2017.
I'm deep.
His head just came off.
No, it didn't.
Oh. It would have.
Can't come off.
Aww.
Ah! Well, there's a gun broken. I think.
Bridge quit 101. Oh, what?
Oh no, it's okay. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this gun review.
Wait, I didn't review a gun.
With my friend. No, the video's too long. It's gonna not upload.
Okay, bang, 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 bang. Alright, that's it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. My name
Bye,
is Malcolm
guys.
with
Hope we
blonde
hit-
hair.
hope we
Like if you like my hair.
Shut up! I hope we hit 30 and